मंच पर विराजमान श्री इडप्पाडी के पलानीस्वामी, श्री नयनार नागेंद्रन, डॉक्टर आर अम्मुमणि, टीटीवी दिनाकरन, के अन्नामलाई, डॉक्टर एल मुरुगन, डॉक्टर टी आर पारिवेंदर, श्री जी के वासन, श्री एस पी वेलुमणि, डॉक्टर ए सी षणमुगम, श्री एम जगन्मूर्ति, श्री बी जॉन पांडियन, श्री पीयूष गोयल, श्री के पी मुनुस्वामी, श्री के सी थिरुमारन, श्री आर शरद कुमार, श्री पी तंगमणि, डॉक्टर सी विजय भास्कर, श्री आर कामराज, श्री विश्वनाथन, my sisters and brothers of Tamil Nadu, அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். It is a privilege for me to be among you in Tiruchi. I pray to Vinayaka of Malaikottai and Samayapuram Mari Amman to bless us all. I also bow to Sri Ranganath Swami of Sri Rangam. 2 years ago, I had the good fortune of visiting the Sri Rangam temple. It was a divine experience. I still remember listening to Kamba Ramayanam in the beautiful Tamil language. Friends, Tiruchi is a land of courage and faith. It has seen the bravery of the Murdu brothers. I also remember Major M. Sarvanan, who made the ultimate sacrifice during Kargil war. When it comes to respecting Tamil Nadu and its culture, our government has always been at the forefront. It is a matter of pride that C.P. Radhakrishnan ji, a son of Tamil Nadu, is our Vice President. A few months ago, he released a postage stamp in honor of Emperor Peruvidugu Muttarayyar. It was a moment of pride for Tamil Nadu. Friends, be it in rallies in Tamil Nadu, in personal meetings across India, or in programs like Kashi Tamil Sangamam, I take a keen interest in connecting with Tamil people. I can feel the pulse of the state very clearly. In Adi Masam, the river Kaveri flows with unstoppable force. Similarly, in this election season in Tamil Nadu, the desire for change is going huge momentum. The whole state has made up its mind to throw out DMK from the government. The people want a government that works for every family, not for just one family. And they know that only NDA can bring that change of Tamil Nadu. Friends, last time I came here to Tiruchi, it was for a program related to projects worth nearly 20,000 crore rupees. A few days ago, I had visited Madurai. We held a program that had projects worth over 4,400 crore rupees. Today, in Tiruchi, I am just coming from a program involving projects worth 5,600 crore rupees. We are making big investments in the future of Tamil Nadu. These projects cover several important sectors. They include clean energy, manufacturing, highways, railways, and rural roads. They bring thousands of new jobs for the youth. Friends, Tamil Nadu's culture and architecture attracts people from all over the world. Such people do not come only through Chennai. They also fly to places like Tiruchi, which is an international airport. After the new terminal was built by our government in Tiruchi, many people shared their happiness with me. They said it is modern and at the same time fully immersed in the culture of Tamil Nadu. Now we have taken a big decision for the airport of Madurai too. Madurai is home to one of the oldest airports in the state. It is a crucial gateway to southern Tamil Nadu. Now, our government has elevated Madurai Airport to international status. By doing so, we are bringing the world to the doorstep of Madurai. This will mean direct flights to and from many important global cities. Thousands of pilgrims, tourists, and business people will find it easier to travel to Madurai. It will also help farmers and businesses to transport their goods across the nation and the world. Madurai Malli flowers picked early morning by a farmer can be on a shelf in Paris or New York by the evening.